Have you ever tried to access a website only to find out it's blocked? It's frustrating, right? If you're in that situation, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to check if a particular website is reachable, even when you're on a restricted network. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you're connected to Wi-Fi, but some sites are just out of reach. You're definitely not alone in this. Many people face similar issues when trying to access certain websites. Here's the specific situation we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I check if a particular website is reachable?" They mentioned that they are using reachability.swift, but are struggling to check specific websites. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution together. So what's the issue here? When you're on a network that blocks certain sites, it can be tricky to determine if they're actually down or just inaccessible. Understanding how to use reachability.swift effectively will help you check the status of those websites. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you troubleshoot website access issues even faster. To check if a particular website is reachable, the user can start by using the Reachability class to monitor network status. However, this class does not directly check specific websites. Next, the user should implement a method to perform a simple HTTP request to the desired website. This can be done using URL session in Swift. After setting up the HTTP request, the user should handle the response to determine if the website is reachable. If there is no error and the response status code is in the range of 200 to 299, the website is reachable. Finally, the user can call this method whenever they need to check the reachability of a specific website. This allows them to determine if they can access blocked sites on their network. Fun fact, did you know that the first website ever created is still online? It's a simple page created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Talk about a piece of internet history. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using an HTTP request to check if a website is reachable. They suggest creating a function that takes a completion handler to return the result. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by a user involves creating a function to check if a web page exists. This function sends a head request to the specified URL, which is a lightweight way to check for reachability without downloading the entire page. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach provided by another user suggests using the reachability initializer with a hostname parameter. You can check the reachability of a specific website by initializing reachability with the desired hostname. Here's that quick tip I promised. If you frequently need to check website reachability, consider creating a simple app or script that automates this process. It can save you a lot of time. And there you have it. You now know how to check if a particular website is reachable using reachability.swift. Remember, understanding your network's limitations is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into network troubleshooting.